My name is Albert, and welcome to Unknown Facts. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of animals with real-life superpowers that will blow your mind. From creatures that can survive in space to animals that wield electricity like weapons. If you're ready to discover nature's most incredible secrets, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Trust me, you won't believe number 7. Our first superhero lives in the colorful world of coral reefs. Meet the mantis shrimp, nature's ultimate boxer. Those club-like appendages pack a punch that's literally explosive. When it strikes, it accelerates at over 10,000 times the force of gravity, reaching speeds of 23 meters per second. That's the force of a .22 caliber bullet. It can shatter crab shells in a single blow, and the impact is so fast it literally boils the water around it. But its superpowers don't stop there. While humans have 3 color receptors, mantis shrimp have 16. They see colors we can't even imagine, and detect polarized light patterns invisible to us. It's a rainbow-colored pugilist with vision that puts our best cameras to shame. From the reef, we shrink down to a microscopic world. Here lives the tardigrade, also known as the water bear, possibly the most indestructible animal on Earth. This tiny, 8-legged creature has mastered the art of survival. When conditions get tough, it enters cryptobiosis, essentially becoming a lifeless ball that can survive almost anything. We're talking temperatures from near absolute zero to 150 degrees Celsius, pressures 6 times deeper than ocean trenches. In 2007, scientists exposed tardigrades to the vacuum of space for 10 days. When rehydrated back on Earth, many simply came back to life and reproduced normally. Deep in the murky waters of the Amazon basin lurks a living weapon, the electric eel, nature's own power plant. Don't let its simple appearance fool you. This fish has turned its body into a living battery. 4/5 of its body contains specialized organs packed with thousands of electric cells called electrocytes. When discharged simultaneously, they produce up to 860 volts. That's 5 times more powerful than a household outlet. It uses this power to stun prey and navigate in complete darkness, creating a 360-degree electrical vision that puts sonar to shame. In the cool waters of Mexico's Lake Xochimilco lives an animal that's discovered the fountain of youth, the axolotl, a salamander that chose to remain a child forever. With its perpetual smile and feathery gills, it looks like nature's own Pokemon. But here's where it gets incredible. Axolotls can regenerate almost any part of their body with perfect precision. Lost a limb? No problem. Damaged spinal cord? It'll grow back. Even portions of their brain can be regenerated without losing function. Scientists are studying these amazing creatures to unlock the secrets of human regenerative medicine. On the forest floor lives a tiny insect with a weapon that would make a chemist jealous. The bombardier beetle, nature's chemical warfare specialist. When threatened, this little guy doesn't run. It fights back with explosive chemistry. It mixes 2 harmless chemicals in an internal combustion chamber, creating a boiling spray that reaches 100 degrees Celsius. The reaction is so violent, it pulses 500 times per second, creating an explosive deterrent that can be aimed with pinpoint accuracy. It's a living artillery piece that proves sometimes the best defense is a good offense. In the rainforests of Australia lives nature's greatest impressionist, the superb lyrebird, a bird whose superpower is pure sound. This master mimic can replicate almost any sound it hears with breathtaking accuracy. During courtship, males perform concerts that include the calls of over 20 different bird species. But it doesn't stop at bird calls. They've been recorded mimicking camera shutters, car alarms, and even chainsaws. Their vocal organ is the most complex of any songbird, making them living sound archives of their environment. Back in tropical waters, another small crustacean has weaponized physics itself, the pistol shrimp, armed with one of nature's most bizarre weapons. That oversized claw isn't for pinching, it's a sonic cannon. When it snaps shut at 100 kilometers per hour, it creates a cavitation bubble that collapses with the force of a gunshot. For a split second, that bubble reaches nearly 5,000 degrees, almost as hot as the sun's surface. The resulting shockwave hits 218 decibels, loud enough to stun or kill small fish instantly. Drifting through the world's oceans is a creature that has achieved the ultimate superpower, Turritopsis dohrnii, the immortal jellyfish. This tiny creature has literally conquered death. When faced with stress, injury, or old age, it does something impossible. It reverses its life cycle. Its cells literally transform back to their youngest state, creating a new polyp that will produce genetically identical jellyfish. In theory, this process can repeat forever, making them biologically immortal, the closest thing to a real-life phoenix. In the mangrove swamps from India to Australia lives nature's most accurate marksman, the archerfish, a sniper that never misses. Insects think they're safe on branches above the water. They're wrong. The archerfish fires high-velocity water jets with sniper-like precision, knocking prey from branches up to 2 meters away. But here's the incredible part. It compensates for light refraction, aiming not where the insect appears to be, but where it actually is. It's a physics professor with fins, solving complex ballistics problems every time it hunts. For our final superpower showcase, we visit the rivers of Australia. Here lives one of nature's most bizarre creations, the platypus, a mammal that lays eggs, has a duck's bill, a beaver's tail, and not one but 2 superpowers. First, it's one of the few venomous mammals on Earth. Males have spurs that inject venom, causing excruciating pain for weeks. But its second power is even more incredible: electroreception. It hunts completely blind, detecting the tiny electrical fields generated by muscle contractions of its prey. Its bill contains thousands of electroreceptors that create a 3D electrical map of its underwater world. It literally sees in electricity. From the bullet punch of the mantis shrimp to the electrical vision of the platypus, we've witnessed powers that rival any superhero comic. These incredible creatures remind us that the natural world is full of wonders that challenge everything we think we know about what's possible. The next time you encounter any animal, remember, you might be looking at a real-life superhero. If these incredible animal superpowers amazed you as much as they amazed me, smash that like button and subscribe to Unknown Facts for more mind-blowing discoveries. And here's a question for you. Which of these 10 superpowers would you want to have and why? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the unknown.